Hi everyone, my name is Deniz and I am a manager at Alight Solutions, running a team of 4 people. We are consultants implementing Workday software at companies, and when I say companies, so far my experience, I have worked from 600 employees to 70,000 employees companies, so it varies a lot. When companies want to automate their HR systems, so human resources systems, they call us. And this is sometimes a big change for them. So some of them might be using Excel sheets. And with Workday, they start using web browsers and mobile app to manage their HR systems, HR processes. Some changes that Workday can bring are to use a mobile app to request time off or approve time off for employees, or increasing a salary of an employee, and then employee receives automatically a notification like an email, or having an interactive performance review. So none of these can be done in Excel, of course. So what is my background? I have studied industrial engineering in Istanbul, Turkey, and then moved to the Netherlands to study further. I was a PhD student, and then I found a job as a junior software consultant, and this job required me to learn a new programming language, and I did that. After working for 2-3 years in this role, I moved to my next role, where I was not programming anymore, but more reviewing the work of junior consultants, and also more client-facing, so playing a bridge role between the junior consultants and the clients, the customers. And this required not only technical skills like coding or analytical skills, but also communication and presentation skills, as well as active listening. Because as with this new role, of course, I had to be with the clients and then understand their needs, and then translate it into technical language so that the junior consultants could understand. I have worked for this role in the Netherlands for almost 10 years. And what am I doing currently? So in 2012, I moved to the UK and I started working for Alight Solutions based in London. I'm currently implementing Workday HR software, which is cloud-based. That is, companies do not install any software on their servers, but the software is on a server Workday manages, and companies use internet and then web browsers and then mobile application. And this job does not require programming, but it requires configuration. So what does that mean? This means we are visiting clients and sitting with them and listening to them to understand how their processes work. And then we as consultants try to adapt all to Workday. Here the key is to know the Workday software in and out, so that we can be consultative. That means we make recommendations and guide the clients rather than saying yes to every ask they may have. So my average day. During the day, we have regular project calls, regular meetings internally as well as with clients, and the remaining time I divide into my team meetings, because I'm a manager of 4 consultants in my company, and also I support the project team, where I'm usually undertaking the lead role and then supporting the consultants in the project, like they have a problem to fix and they try and they can't, so I guide them, or they are looking for a more creative approach and they want me to be the listening ear. So why do I do my job? I work mostly from home, and only when I need to visit a client, then I need to travel to the client offices, either in London or somewhere else in the world. And this part I love about my job. It's never boring, there are always challenges, and it requires some international traveling. So within my team, I love helping people and seeing them grow, and they see me probably as a caring older sister who is definitely caring, but also sometimes tough, but this way they can learn. I love making clients happy and advance their processes and increase their employee satisfaction. So the last thing is some suggestions for you going forward. In order to be successful in consulting roles, you would need to be analytical, you would need to be good at math. Not that you will literally use it in your daily life, but it helps you train your brain to think rationally and approach challenges in a more structural way. You need to enjoy problem solving. You also need to be result oriented. So this is important because consulting means client facing work. Therefore, you need to have happy customers. It's essential to be able to present in front of a crowd. It's never easy the first few years, but it gets easier the more you do it, believe me. So I hope this experience I have shared so far will inspire you. Best of luck in the future and take care of. Bye.